The InnerHTML function allows us to output data in an HTML element. For example, here we have a script that will calculate the results of a simple calculation, 6 plus 3. The script will display the result in the HTML element containing the ID math. That's what the getElementById function means. We've applied the ID to this paragraph tag. That means the results of the JavaScript output will be displayed here. We can see the results in our web browser. 9 is the result that is outputted once the JavaScript function computes 6 plus 3. We can update these values to output different results.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer.